In this video right here, I've updated the ShibaSwap Woof spreadsheet that's being automatically calculated from the woofing area. I'll go right back to it and it's calculating. I'm just taking the stats from here and I'm moving it to here. And I'm going to show you step by step. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today, because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and to grow your brand as well. Let's go ahead and dive in this because I'm so excited, so excited. Okay, step by step. Now what I did was I took the stats from the woofing area about claiming your returns. So I'm like, all right, I want to track my potential returns. So I took the numbers of the woofing of the pairing of Bone and Ethereum. So I did 32.40. And I actually can update this. So 32.40, and that gives me a revenue of $150.98. And here is today's date. Now, this is my original investment that I did, including the fees. I did this late at night, so the fees was low, and I was able to add these pairings really simple and really easy. So just to let you know, let me get that out there. And so that's what I have. I just put the numbers in there, 32.40 and revenue $150.98. Everything is being calculated with the total bones as well. Then I went to the next pairing. I only have 3 pairings, Shib and Bone. It's currently at 61.38. And by the way, I'm also calculating the current bone price. So $61.38. Go back here, 61.38. I can change this, $4.65. So it's going to bring it down just a little bit of adjustment. So the Shib and Bone woofing pairing, I just updated that, $285.42. So that's exactly what we have here. And my last pairing of this, which I do want to do some adjustments with this in the future, is the Shib and Ethereum, and we at 2.83. 2.83, so that still remains the same, and that's what we have. We have total revenue of $449.24. Profit is $204.24 because I took the revenue, total revenue, subtracted from the original investment, and then that's my profit, right? This here is the total bones collected from up until now, and 96.61, that's automatically bones being collected, and that's happening around the clock. I changed the current price of bone. I look for that bone price to go up in the future, and also this is going to go up in the future, and this is going to go up in the future, and this is going to go up in the future, and everything is going to go up in the future, in my opinion. So I plan to continue to track this. Now, what I plan to do also is do a step-by-step of how to dig and then how to woof step by step. A video is going to be coming up with that, so you'll know exactly how to do it and why I decided to do what I'm doing. So I explained along the way. So if you're a beginner for all this, it's definitely a video you definitely want to watch. So basically all I did in the recap was took my information from the woof that I'm accumulating in the woofing area, and I'm just adding into a spreadsheet, at least for now, to keep track of the profits and to keep track of the total bones as well. So this is something you can do. This is not financial advice. I'm just sharing you things that I'm doing behind the scenes to help you. Because this is ShibaSwap. This is an unbelievable opportunity for all of us. And just want to take advantage of all these things that's happening. And there's more things that's coming. That's the thing. Remember, in one day, according to this, one day we'll start seeing more information being loaded up. Now, you may be wondering, okay, so you're doing the woofing, the automatic boning process. What are you doing with the burying? Now, once the burying starts to happen, I will definitely do something with that as well. I may update the spreadsheet and put a different section of having woof and then having the burying, just to kind of show you what I'm doing behind the scenes. So definitely stay tuned for any updates that's coming up with the woof spreadsheet, and even with the burying updated spreadsheet of getting that bone and also getting more things as well. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. It was a quick video just to show you what's going on behind the scenes gotta get the bone. You gotta get the bone. And that's kind of the key here. That's one of the keys here is getting bone. And so I'm just calculating it, and so you can do that at home as well. I'll see you later. My name is Adam Shelton. Look out for another video that's dropping. That's going to be step by step. When you dig, then you woof. Don't forget the woof. Don't forget the woof. I'll see you later, because this is the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. I'll see you on the next video.